Let's take a close-up look at the hotel experience at Encore at Boston Harbor. The experience at Encore is unmatched. It's unrivaled in all of the Northeast. Let's take you through an experience from parking garage to hotel room so you can get a taste of this place yourself. What sets Encore apart, in my opinion, is the quality of the product in this building. It's beautiful. When you take a look at the decor, when you take a look at the architecture, when you take a look at the fine details, you will see an incredible attention to detail everywhere here. The archways, the crown moldings, the mosaics, it's all there and it's all really, really well done. Of course, Encore's cousin in Las Vegas is much bigger, but the footprint here in Boston is still nothing to sneeze at. So we're working our way up the corridor into the main hotel lobby. Now this is a gorgeous atrium with plenty of decorations. There's a lot of mosaics on the floor. You could take it all in. One of the things you'll notice everywhere are these curtains. And if you feel one of these curtains, they are so heavy. Again, it's not just there for show. They're really well done pieces. Now, you're going to start to see that natural light flowing through this atrium. Take a look again at the mosaics that are on the floor of this atrium. Take a look at the decor. The textures that are everywhere are marvelous. Another nice touch that you can see right in front of me are the round escalators that lead up to the mezzanine portion of the main lobby. Artwork is everywhere in the building. Right in front of me, you'll see a flower-covered Ferris wheel on display, rotating and spinning. It's a sight to behold. So now we're going to walk past some of the stores. Right here, you'll see the Watches of Switzerland store where you could part with some of your money on some fine Swiss timepieces. I'm going to look down toward the floor so you could take a look at the mosaics that decorate the floor of the atrium. Now, over here on our left, right here behind these velvet ropes, this is the main reception. So I'm going to go ahead and check in and then start to lead you upstairs. Okay, I've got my keys, I'm all checked in, so I'm going to loop around and head up the elevator so I could take it down the hallway so you can see the room. One thing again to notice is the attention to detail. Again, look at the flooring, look at the quality of the marble floor that's all over this atrium. Again, it's incredible. The amount of time and money that was spent is remarkable. So I took the elevator upstairs and now I'm going to make my way to the room. You could see the curvature of the building here on the 10th floor of the hotel tower. It's kind of unique because your typical hotel, you'll end up going through on these long corridors where here it's curved. So let's start off in the bathroom. So when you look at this bathroom, it's really nicely appointed. You have an incredible complement of toiletries. Everything you could possibly want or need is already in the room. I ended up with 2 double beds, and this is the setup that you're dealt with. There are no less than 5 pillows on each bed. The whole place is incredibly clean. It's also appointed with an iPad. I ended up missing the finger button to activate it, but you can see that's where we're looking at. A really nice touch in this room was the Nespresso machine that could serve you up an espresso right here in the room. I really liked it. I ended up actually using it. I don't often use these coffee bars in the room, but they made it so easy to get the Nespresso coffee, the Nespresso espresso right here in the room. You're provided with a copy of the Win magazine, which is a really nice magazine, full color, glossy, and heavy. Looking out the windows, which I must add, the motorized curtains are retracted here. It's really cool to have the automatic motorized curtains so you can see out right here on Boston Harbor. The room is also equipped with a minibar. We'll take you over there so you can see some of the options that are in the minibar. But I gotta warn you, the prices at the minibar are incredibly steep. I couldn't really bring myself to pay almost $10 for a bag of M&Ms. I'm not sure if you would either. I like the art choice. I thought the Liechtenstein was kind of a neat touch. And here we'll take a look at the minibar. So there you have it. Thanks for taking a look.